Okay, here we are ice fishing at Pleasant Run Creek Park here in Bolivar, Tennessee. As you can see, we got 3 poles out. There's my buddy Jason. Done caught one over there. We catch any more, we'll get back to y'all. Okay, y'all, my buddy Jason has one on.
Yeah.
There you go, guys and girls. Well, y'all, my buddy Jason caught another.
I think it's a pretty good one. Yeah, this is good.
Ooh, look at that. Another rainbow trout, y'all.
Yeah, boys, look at it.
Okay, y'all. Jason just caught one on a little pole. Yeah, look at that big old trout on a little pole. We'll get back to y'all as soon as we hook up with another.
And guys, he's done hooked up. We got one out there. See it? Look at it, guys. See, look at it, guys. Yeah. Look at him. Got it to the bank. Now, let me walk up here and just look at it. Yeah. There you go. Now, we'll get right back at y'all as soon as we catch another one.
Okay, y'all, Jason has a trout on. Let's walk over here and look at it. Ooh, yeah. Look at that trout, y'all. If we catch another, we'll get right back at you. Okay, y'all, Jason just hooked up. Oh, yeah.